a globally recognized technology in shipbuilding and industrial automation fields, based on differentiated quality and meticulous safety. A leader in the shipbuilding and industrial automation business of the world market, through endless technological development and best quality control. Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited. Panel line automation is a facility to build flat blocks that take 70% of the hull, and it improves productivity by maximizing its efficiency. Plate joining equipment arranges each steel plate, gap control for plate joint, and plate fit up by tack welding. Butt welding equipment is a saw welding equipment that can weld without beveling up to 22 millimeters with eye-butt joint as two-side welding system. Turnover system is equipment that turns over the front welded panels for the backside welding. Longe fit-up equipment is equipment that arranges the longe on the marked panel and tack weld on both sides with a multi-welding torch at same time. Multi-pole auto welding is equipment that can weld a maximum of 10 longe at same time with twin tandem method. Pulling winch is equipment for charging steel plate with the slit method for fit up on proper position during the process of flat block assembly. Block transfer car is equipment that transfers assembled blocks using the hydraulic system. Block lifter system is equipment that lifts up or down the completed blocks for load out by transporter. H-beam is a semi-automated system and produces non-standard H-beams. Fully automated T-bar automation line manufactures T-bars and L-bars as per production design and supplied to panel line for further production. H-beam and T-bar line have leveling equipment to correct welding deformation, and it increased production efficiency. Is an exclusive tubular manufacturing line of increased efficiency by the automation of the cutting and bending welding process, using necessary equipment for each process to produce tubulars from plain steel plates.
A number of key products that serve as the backbone of the company, such as marine cranes, deck cranes, offshore cranes, offshore equipment, and deck machinery. We also have an extensive global after-sales service networks. Marine cranes, one of our flagship crane products, can be categorized into 6 different types. One of these, the hose handling crane, is designed to handle heavy hose used to load and unload oil and chemical tankers. Powered by electric motor and hydraulic pumps, our hose handling crane can handle up to 25 tons, with tanker vessels usually equipped with 1 or 2 of such cranes. Our provision cranes are installed on the side of a deck house, designed to load provisions and goods required for sailors and vessel operation, such as food ingredients, household goods, spare engine parts, and such. The crane can either be hydraulic or electric at the request of the ship owner. Engine room cranes are installed on engine room ceilings and are used for maintenance of main engines. They can be categorized into overhead, low head, and special types. And there are many more. Monorail cranes to maximize the use of space when loading a variety of containers. Life-saving appliances designed to help with evacuation or rescue operations in the event of emergencies out at sea. And telescopic and knuckle telescopic cranes, which are categorized as special purpose cranes. Our second product range, deck cranes, are used to maximize the loading efficiency of vessels that stop at ports without adequate loading facilities. Ships are usually equipped with 2 to 4 deck cranes. Offshore cranes, our third product range, are usually used on rigs, drill ships, FPSOs, and other offshore vessels. As they are used to load and unload cargo in the offshore environment, they come with additional design and technical requirements. Our fourth range, the offshore equipment, includes burner booms, hose reels, and material handling equipment. Our fifth range includes deck machinery, such as windlasses, which are used to heave anchors up and down, and mooring winches that reel mooring lines to secure a vessel at port. Our sixth range includes engine castings for vessels, funnels, and wing bridges, exclusively supplied by Q-Tech, located in Yeongam, South Korea. With our after-sales service as well as our spare parts and lifetime services, we strive to minimize any inconvenience and provide the best in products and services to our valued customers, both local and overseas.
Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited supplies individual shipyard equipment as well as hull shop production system and provides a total operational solutions covering overall shipyards. We give the optimum customized environment from steel stocks process to the whole production processes according to the user requirements by analyzing the productivity based on the shipyard plan. Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited have performed for many global projects, and we have continuous relationships with countries that have large shipyards such as China, Singapore, Venezuela, Brazil, Russia, etc. In 2010, Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited had supplied panel line equipment for Qingdao Yangfan Shipbuilding Company Limited and Rongshan Heavy Industries Company Limited in China. In 2011, we have performed basic design and engineering consultancy service for a whole new shipyard construction for Venezuela. In 2013, we Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited had signed contract with Singapore Jurong Shipyard and Brazil Estaleiro Jurong Aerocruise, who adopted a newest hull shop package system from Sangsangin. Steel Stockyard, Pre-Treatment Shop, Steel Plate and Profile Cutting Shop, Subassembly Shop, Middle Block Assembly Shop, Panel Line Shop and Flat Block Assembly Shop, T-Bar and H-Beam Shop, Forming Shop, Curved Block Assembly Shop, Deckhouse Assembly Shop. This is the world's first, newest hull shop with one-stop manufacturing system from steel plate stock to block producing. This automatic production line. In 2014, we had signed a contract of 85,000-ton floating dry dock for Brazil Estaleiro Jurong Aerocruise Shipyard. Floating dry dock is a barge-type large structure designed to construct the ship at sea, and a dock that floats and can be lowered in the water for entrance of ship and then raised for use as dry dock. 85,000-ton floating dry dock has the maximum width in the world that it can control FPSO, and it consists of 4 large pump rooms operated for a number of marine ballast tanks, and floating dock is used for a new shipbuilding and repairing facility for semi-submersible rig, FPSO, and other ships. In 2018, Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited had signed construction contract to build 2 sets of the world's largest 15,000-ton Goliath gantry crane for Semcor Marine Integrated Yard in Singapore. This crane is the biggest Goliath crane in the world ever built, so all the figures used to explain are enormous. Lifting capacity 15,000 tonnage, height 138 meters, span 165 meters. Total weight is more than 11,000 tons. As a result, this crane can move even during the lifting 15,000 tonnage block. It based on turnkey contract for the design, engineering, fabrication, supply, delivery, supervision of installation, testing and commissioning. All of the works will be accomplished by our own technology. Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited is continuously working hard and growing for the technology development and quality improvement through R&D. We realize customer satisfaction with technology, quality improvement, and upgraded management systems through process improvement and stable productions. With the valuable quality and services, Sangsangin Ship Machinery Company Limited promises to be the world's best production solution provider, working hard with our customers.